Hello people, in today's video I'm going to break down how you can make £281 a month while you sleep. Hi guys, I'm Jim, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to explain how you can make £281 a month while you sleep, all through property. Property has been one of the best ways to earn passive income throughout history, and that's certainly not changed in 2021. So how do we do it? Well, it centres around the buy-to-let investing model, which if you want a more detailed breakdown, please check out my ultimate buy-to-let guide. But to summarise, you purchase a property, maybe do a refurb, and then rent it out each month. Now this is a principle lots of people talk about, but I'm going to show you what a property looks like and break down some of the numbers so you can see exactly how it's possible to make £281 a month while you sleep. The last 18 months has shown everyone how mental the world can be, so now more than ever it's important to have different income sources. Although £281 is not going to mean you can leave your job right now, it's a fantastic base to grow your whole property portfolio, which will earn you money while you sleep. While you're growing this portfolio, it could start to offer you extra income. Now you could use this to pay down your own mortgage, or you could reinvest it into other property deals, or look at other investments like an S&P 500 Vanguard index fund, which will average you around about a 10% return a year over the long term. This flat I'm standing in right now is located in Runcorn, which is in the northwest of England. This area is a fantastic location, located just 11 miles from Liverpool and has easy access to lots of the areas in the northwest of England, making it a really strong investment area for landlords. Before I take you on a tour of the flat, it would really help me out if you could subscribe to the channel below. You know how to hit that big red button, so do me a favour and smash it, and let's crack on with the tour.
This 2-bed ground floor flat is part of a modern new build estate which was finished in 2008. When you enter the property, you are met by a hallway which leads to an open plan kitchen lounge area. The open plan design gives tenants lots of options when it comes to how they lay the flat out. We then proceed to enter the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, which would be perfect for kids or as an office. The main bedroom could easily fit in a double bed and has the bonus of built-in wardrobes. The bathroom is pretty standard for an investment property, and finally we have some storage in the hallway.
Now I'm going to jump into the numbers so you can see how it's possible to earn money while you sleep. So this property was on the market for £126,000 and ended up being purchased for £118,000 in 2019. A 25% deposit was used to purchase the property, meaning £29,500 was put down. Initially, a light refurb took place, costing around £1,900. Another £1,500 was spent on solicitors' fees. Now, due to the fact the property was under £125,000, there was no need for stamp duty, meaning it cost £32,900 to purchase the property in total. This represents a gross yield of 6.92%, which is about normal for what investors look for when it comes to an investment property. The flat was purchased using an interest-only mortgage for 25 years on a fixed rate for 5 years, meaning the total mortgageable amount was £88,500. This means the amount owed each month for the mortgage was £221.25. Now this flat is currently waiting for new tenants to move in. Due to the fact the property market is really hot at the moment, the rent per calendar month on this place is £700. It's worth mentioning at this stage that this property is a leasehold, not a freehold. This is commonplace for new builds and also with flats. So what does this actually mean? Well, with a leasehold, you own the property, but you never own the land which the property is built on. This means that the landlord has to pay a land fee and also a management fee for the building, as the freeholder will have responsibilities to look after the common parts of the building, such as hallways and stairs in a block of flats. So this has to be factored into our monthly costs. The management fees for the property are £749 every 6 months, meaning it costs around £125 per month, and the land fee is £75 every 6 months, meaning it costs £12.50 a month. Another cost to consider is letting agency fees, which is £60 for this property, which is around 8% of the rental income, which is a really good price. Normally you can expect to pay anywhere between 10 to 12%. This means all of the costs for this property are £418.75 per month. So once you've taken this away from your £700 rent, you're left with a nice profit of £281.25 per month, which is £3,375 over the course of a year. Investing in property this way is the best way to make money while you sleep. Although nothing is truly passive and does require some input from you from time to time, the buy-to-let model is the most passive of all the property strategies and the best way to earn money while you sleep. Not only are you earning rental income each month, but the longer you hold the asset, the more the value will go up over time. This is a great way to earn money passively, but you would need £32,900 in total to purchase this property. And according to the Office for National Statistics, the average UK salary is £38,600, meaning to purchase this property, you would need 85% of a full year's wage. So how can we get this pot of money in order to do this? Well, if you're an investor and you're looking towards your future, then there are a couple of things you can do. Firstly, you can save as much money as possible. This will mean not going off avocado on toast for brunch every day, or getting vanilla lattes from Starbucks. If you can focus on the long-term advantages to investing into property, saving up the money will be worth it. I'm not saying it will be easy, but the sacrifice will be worth it in the long term. Along with getting a good handle on your money and aiming to save as much money as possible, you can look at how to make more money. This could be by doing overtime in your job and having this as a property fund. Or maybe you could start selling stuff you don't use on eBay. You could even start working on a website called Fiverr, which is a marketplace for freelance workers to offer their services. If you're in a position where you already have a property which you own and live in, it might be possible to pull some equity out of the property and use this to purchase an investment property. It is important to be disciplined when you do this, as sometimes people act like this is free money. Although it feels like it's money you didn't have, do not treat it like this, and make sure it was working hard for you. And I think one of the best ways to do this is to invest into property. If you're looking to get involved into property full time, then you might want to partner up with an investor and come to a joint venture agreement where you do all of the legwork for the property, which might include finding it and managing a refurb, for a 50-50 split of the property, while they stump up all the cash to purchase it. You might not need to get all the way up to £32,900 if you can find a deal. The amount needed to purchase could be a lot cheaper, but it's more about a mindset shift into focusing how to make money while you sleep. This focuses your mind on how to make sure your money is getting good leverage for you and working hard with little input from you. And this is the best way to build wealth for the long term. I hope you guys have enjoyed learning how to make £281 per month all while you sleep through property. If you've enjoyed this video, then please check out my beginner's guide to starting an Airbnb business. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.